Sir, I need you to park it. Today we're going to be changing out these wheels. There's a lot of curb rash on them. Paint's coming off. Time to get them repowder coated. So in the meantime, we're going to be sticking these fresh meats, some hand cooks. They're M3 wheels. These will go on until the wheels get powder coated. Ready? Yeah. Did you see what you did to your wheels? Look at this. That's red. These wheels used to be red at one point. Look at that. Well, stop doing that to your wheels.
Sorry.
I'm gonna replace them. Luckily, she still has her wheel lock. And then this car has stud conversion. I'll show you what that means. And we'll check your brakes too, because this is what a stud conversion kit. These BMWs don't come with studs, so we install these stud conversion. Makes it a lot easier, but every time you take off the wheel, you got to tighten these up. So somebody doesn't complain about vibration. Let me see. You're ready for a Tinder, man. All right, let me mount these wheels back up. Pew, pew, pew. Only the best.
Hold on, give it a few works just to make sure it works. I was like, is this car? I know. I was like, what is this?
Hold on, we still have to go over it with this. Let me tell you, these are the wheels we took off. They're all, as you can see, they're all chipped up. Gonna get cleaned up, and then these are the new ones. These are OEM.
What are you working on today, Edgar? Replacing your wheels because it keeps calling me. Oh, it's a notification.
It's all done. Now comes the test. My man's here is gonna sit in it. Sit down. Unlock it. There you go.
It's all kinds of trash.
Just push it over. You know, women, they like to have. Oh man, look at that. Look at the fit, man. Look at that. It fits like. Put it into sport mode. Turn traction control off.